Hello students. Now I am going to do some of the few problems in vector calculus in a module 1 in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. So now the first problem will be like this. Find divergence f curl f for the vector point function vector f is equals to del of x y cube x square z square at the point 1 minus 1 1. So this is what the question. Here they given the vector f in terms of gradient. So first we have to find out the value of vector f. They given grad of x y cube z square. So first we have to find out the vector f. After getting the vector f in terms of vector function, next we have to find out divergence curl for that vector f at the point 1 minus 1 1. This is what the question. So now what we have to do means the given vector f you just write as it is, that is gradient of x y cube z square. You just take that as equation number 1. Here inside the grad what function they given, you just take that function as phi, that is phi is equals to x y cube z square. So now you just find out the gradient phi or grad phi. Already we know the formula of grad phi, that is del phi is nothing but dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k. Vector f is equals to, so after simplification of this we are getting vector f as y cube z square I cap plus 3xy square z square j cap plus 2xy cube z into k cap. So now we got the vector f in terms of I, j, k. So next question is they asked us to find out the divergence and also curl for the given vector f. So first we'll find out the divergence. So divergence is nothing but del dot vector f. We'll write the definition of the del. Del is nothing but dou by dou x into I cap, dou by dou y into j cap plus dou by dou z into k cap. That into vector f, just only we got the solution. That solution we have to substitute here. That is y cube z square I cap plus 3xy square z square into j cap plus 2xy square z into k cap. So now we should do the multiplication of these two vector function. After doing the multiplication, we can write the above equation in this form. Dou by dou x of y cube into z square plus dou by dou y of 3xy square z square plus dou by dou z of 2xy cube into z. Now for each and every term we have to do the partial differentiation with respect to x, y and also z. On simplification, we are getting 0 plus 6xy z square plus 2xy cube. Now, on simplification, this divergence of f can be written as at the point 1 minus 1, 1. So, we can write the solution as minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8. This is what the required solution of the divergence of vector f. Now vector f, divergence of vector f we got it. Now we'll find out the next one, that is curl f, del cross vector f. So first we should write the definition of the curl f, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. So in a second row, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row, you just substitute the coefficient of ijk of vector f, that is y cube z square 3x square y square z square 2xy cube z. Now we have to simplify this determinant. On simplification, first we should do the expansion of this. So we can write this curl f as like this, 6xy square z minus 6xy square z into I plus 2y cube z minus 2y cube z into j plus 3y square z square minus 3y square z square into j cap. On simplification we are getting curl f which is equals to 0. Now we'll see the next problem. if vector f is equals to gradient of x cube plus y cube plus z square minus 3xyz, then we have to find out divergence of f and curl f. This question is similar to the previous problem. So here also the same thing. Vector f, first we have to find out the vector f. They given in terms of gradient. So inside the gradient, what function they given, you just take that as a phi. So phi is equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So del phi we have to find out now. The definition of del phi will be like this: dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k cap. So now we have to do the differentiation of a phi with respect to x, y, z, and we have to substitute in the respective place, so that the above equation can be written as 3 into x square minus yz into I cap plus 3 into y square minus zx into j cap plus 3z square minus xy into k cap. Therefore, divergence of f is equals to del dot vector f. So del, the definition of del and vector f solution, both we have to substitute and we have to do the multiplication. So we can write divergence of f has 6x plus 6y plus 6z. On simplification, we are getting divergence of f has 6 into x plus y plus z. So next we'll find out the curl. Now we'll find out the curl f. So curl f is equals to del cross f. So first row is I cap, j cap, k cap, and dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. The coefficient of vector f we have to substitute it here, that is 3 into x square minus yz, 3 into y square minus zx, 3 into z square minus xy. So all the values we have to simplify with the help of this determinant. So we are getting curl f is equals to 0i plus 0j plus 0 into k. So curl f is equals to 0. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the last problem, that is show that vector f is equals to xi plus yj divided by x square plus y square is solenoidal and irrotational. So here the given vector f, you just write that function as it is. First we'll separate this. So the coefficient of I cap will be x by x square plus y square, and coefficient of j cap will be y divided by x square plus y square, and the coefficient of k cap will be 0. So now we'll find out the divergence of f. So del dot vector f, the definition of del will be dou by dou x into I plus dou by dou y into j, dou by dou z into k, and the definition of vector f will be, you just substitute the given vector f as it is, and then you just go for multiplication of these two vector, so that we can write this as dou by dou x of x divided by x square plus y square plus dou by dou y of y divided by x square plus y square plus dou by dou z of 0. On simplification, we have to do the simplification with the help of that quotient rule. With the help of quotient rule, we have to do the differentiation is with respect to x and also y. And after that, we have to do the simplification. On simplification, we can write this term as like this: divergence of f, which is equals to y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square into whole square plus x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square into y square. On simplification, we are getting solution of divergence of vector f is 0. Therefore, clearly we can give the conclusion that vector f is solenoidal. Now we have to prove that vector f is irrotational. To prove that, we have to find out the value of the curl f, that is del cross f. So del cross f means we have to go for using the determinant. So first row will be I cap, j cap, k cap, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the last row you just substitute the coefficient of vector f, that is x divided by x square plus y square, y divided by x square plus y square, and the last term will be a 0. Now we'll go for expansion of this determinant. On expansion, next we have to do the simplification so that we are getting this curl f is 0. So clearly we can give the conclusion that vector f is irrotational. And the next problem is show that the vector field vector f is x square minus yz into I cap plus y square minus zx into j cap plus z square minus xy into k cap is an irrotational. Irrotational is nothing but that curl f should be equals to 0. Now we have to prove that. So the given vector f you just write as it is. You just go for finding the curl f, that is del cross f. First row is ijk, that is fixed, and second row will be dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And the last row you just substitute the coefficient of vector f, that is x square minus yz, y square minus zx, and then z square minus xy. On simplification, we can write this as minus x plus x into I cap plus minus y into j cap minus z plus z into k cap. On simplification, we are getting solution of this curl f will be 0. So clearly we can give the conclusion that it is irrotational. So like this we can solve many problems. Thank you.